Hi everyone, this is Balwinder. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can link your Instagram account in your Facebook Business Manager. बहुत ज़्यादा inquiries ने in regards to this as well. There are lots of people who wants to run their ads on Instagram account as well, through their Instagram account as well. So this is the best option that you can run your own ads on Instagram as well. मैं तुम्हें show करदा how you can link ਤੁਸੀਂ अपना Instagram account किमें link कर सकते हो through your business manager and how you can run your ads on Instagram accounts as well. If you're on the screen guys, मेरे को दो options ने how I can link my Instagram account. The first option I have, I need to be click on this accounts. तो तुसी इथे Instagram account से through add options ते click करके Instagram accounts नु add कर सकते हो. This is the first option. The second option I highly recommend. This is very simple and good as well. What you can do is ਜਿਹੜੀ ਵੀ ad तुसी run कर रहे हो. For example, let's say this is my ad and I want to run that ad on Instagram account as well. So what I will be doing is I'm just going to click on edit. This is the typically a simple solution to link your Instagram account. If you come here, you might be get this error, right? So identity, it's a Facebook page means किस page तो तुसी अपना ads nu run karna chahte ho. Then you can click on that page. Make sure that that page should be added into your business manager. Second option, Instagram account. You can click on it as this is already been added, but what I will be doing, I will going to show you how you can connect that account here. You need to click on that connect account. Now here you will another have two option to do it. ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਵਿੰਡੋ ਤੇ ਆਓਗੇ, they will be said you to continue as an Balwinder NZ. ਜਿਹੜੀ ਵੀ Instagram account ID ਤੁਸੀਂ already ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਖੋਲੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ, right? ਇੱਥੇ ਉਹ show ਕਰੇਗੀ. When you just click it, it will be automatically linked. This is the first option. Second option is switch an account. ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਯੂਜ਼ਰ ਦਾ ਨੇਮ ਤੇ ਉਹਦਾ ਪਾਸਵਰਡ ਐਂਟਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ. This is the best option ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਹੋਰ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਐਡ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ. Since I do not want to be link my Balwinder, my Instagram account, now I want to be add my other people who are in the business. So what I will be do is I'm just going to put their sorry about that, Tinder 4939 and password. Once I just put that password here, I'm just going to log in this one. This is the option where you have a team or ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਐਸਾ ਜਿੱਥੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ads run ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ, then you can just log in through it and you will be see their account is automatically be linked here and you can publish. You do not need to be add again and again, just one time add it. Every time Facebook give you an option here कि तुसी उस page ਨੂੰ ਉੱਥੇ select ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, then you can run your ads through that account as well. This is a simple way you can do it. The best way, this is the one of the best way, after publishing just close, or the another way is just click on the add option. You will have at the moment Facebook will not give you an option because Facebook is working on their Facebook Business Manager. Probably you will be get that option to add a username or link Instagram account just a one time and that will be good to go. I hope that will be help you out how you can link your Instagram account. मैं again is done. There are lots of people ਜਿਹੜੀ अपनी ad Instagram ਤੇ ਚਲਾਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ. They need to be link their Instagram account in the business manager so that ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇੱਥੇ option ਆਏ to run your ads through that account. I hope that will be really helpful for you. If you have any kind of question or if you're facing any problem to linking your Instagram account with your Facebook Business Manager, just comment below. My team or I will be definitely giving answers. Try to give an answers of your questions. Thank you so much guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that will be help you out.